Welcome to episode 1 of my volume eating meal prep series. Now, if you're somebody who's looking for veggie pack weight loss meals, then this is for you. A lot of the time when it comes to weight loss, we feel like we need a lot of time to prepare foods and make foods. And I'm going to be really honest. Most days for lunch, I have 15 to 30 minutes max, and I just don't have time to be cooking up a storm. So I often make this protein tuna pasta and keep it in my fridge in an airtight container so that I don't need to think about lunch for 2 to 3 days. All I do is make a big batch in a bowl, and then I'll divide it into little meal prep containers. This way, when it's time for lunch, I grab the container, I eat it, I enjoy it, and oh my gosh, it's so good.